blogging service, Twitter.
So at this point, you're probably wondering how to install these extensions. So let me open a Wave. And you probably won't be surprised to hear that extensions can live inside a Wave. Here's a bunch of puzzle pieces showing some of the things we're using today. All I have to do if I want to use one of these extensions is click the install button. And you can see over here, there's a new drop-down menu. And I have the option to create a new TWAV.
A wave, of course, TWAV, of course, is a wave of tweets.
You can describe as a developer how your extensions hook into Wave. It could be a keyboard shortcut, a button on the toolbar. It could be something like the new TWAV button. There'll be a confirmation page that tells the users how you're going to interact. We haven't quite implemented that yet. So let me log in here. I have to tell you that Lars created my Twitter account.
I made her Tweffany. She hates that.
Oh, crap.
She's Tweffany Twitter.
I think that tab button should be implemented, you guys. I feel like all sorts of bad stuff is about to happen. All right, so I'll sign into Twitter. And you can see tweets from all the famous people I follow. And down here at the bottom, Lars.
No.
I'm just going to close it. We still haven't... I want to get the contacts out. It's important you can see that each of these avatars, they're not necessarily Wave users. Through our APIs, you can be a proxy for contacts on a different system. So I have Lance Armstrong, Ryan Seacrest, lots of different people. If I go down here and I look for Lars's tweet, I can respond to it. He says, the demo's going pretty well. And I'll say, it ain't over yet.
And now I've logged into Tweffany at Twitter over here, and if I refresh the page, you'll see that the extension took Stephanie's Wave reply and tweeted it. Thank you.
Now, Tweety also lets you search over the public timeline of Twitter, for example, for a phrase like Google Wave. So I'm going to start a new TWAV.
You're going to search for Google Wave now?
I'm going to do it.
How brave is that?
I'm not afraid. So I'll try again. I'm going to log in. And then I'm going to type Google Wave. So we did this yesterday, and there were only 2 tweets. One of them was a woman interviewing at a company called Wave. So she said, I should Google Wave before my interview. So now let's sign in, see what happens. A lot more than 2.
Oh.
And we can go down to the bottom and see tweets still coming in.
Oh my God, you guys, thank you. Wow, thank you.
So that was an example of an integration between Wave and another communication system.
I'll just add to the search functionality here, actually, that you can have Tweety continuously search over in Twitter and update the Wave as they come, so you can use them like Twitter alerts. For whatever you're interested in, it'll just pop into your inbox.